Hello, Matt here. When you look up at the night sky, you see stars and planets. But hidden in the darkness are some of the galaxy's most beautiful and bizarre objects, planetary nebulae. These glowing shrouds of dying stars are fleeting masterpieces, lasting only a cosmic blink. Tonight, we'll explore their life cycles, the remnants they leave behind, and the most stunning examples in our Milky Way. You might think these spectacular nebulae are rare, but they're actually the most common type in our galaxy. Stars like our Sun quietly shed their outer layers, creating a constant production line of planetary nebulae. While each nebula is short-lived, the galaxy is always replenishing them, a beautiful ongoing cycle. They're the visible echoes of billions of years of stellar life and death. So next time you see a nebula, remember, it's not a rare gem, but part of a vibrant, ever-changing galactic community. How does a star become a nebula? It's all about the final act of a sun-like star's life. As it runs out of fuel, the star swells into a red giant, then sheds its outer layers in powerful winds. These layers drift away, forming a vast, expanding cloud, each shell a record of a different puff. For a while, this cloud is dark, but it's packed with elements like carbon and oxygen, ready to seed new stars and planets. This is cosmic recycling at its finest. The real magic, the nebula's glow, comes next. At the heart of every planetary nebula is a white dwarf, the dense, hot core left behind after a star sheds its layers. Imagine the sun's mass squeezed into an Earth-sized ember, with temperatures over 100,000 degrees Celsius. This white dwarf blasts ultraviolet radiation into the surrounding gas, making it glow in brilliant colors. The nebula's hues reveal its chemistry: reds for hydrogen, greens and blues for oxygen. Eventually, the white dwarf cools and fades, and the nebula disperses, leaving only a lonely, cooling ember behind. The show is over, but the elements live on. Let's embark on a journey through the cosmos and explore some of the most famous nebulae, beginning with one of the most iconic, the Helix Nebula. Often called the Eye of God, this nebula has captured the imagination of astronomers and stargazers alike for generations, thanks to its striking appearance and mysterious origins. Located just 650 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius, the Helix Nebula's glowing ring and bright central star create the illusion of a giant cosmic eye gazing out into the universe. Its vivid colors and intricate structure make it one of the most photographed and studied nebulae in the night sky. Spanning more than 2 light-years across, about half the distance from our Sun to the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, the Helix Nebula is actually the ghostly remnant of a sun-like star that has reached the end of its life. What we see is the outer shell of gas and dust, gently expanding into space. Thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope, we can see thousands of tiny comet-like knots within the nebula. These dense clumps of gas and dust are sculpted by intense ultraviolet radiation and powerful stellar winds, creating intricate shapes and patterns that continue to puzzle scientists. Because the Helix Nebula is so close to Earth, astronomers can study the process of stellar death in remarkable detail. By observing how the nebula evolves, scientists gain valuable insights into the fate that awaits our own Sun billions of years from now, when it too will shed its outer layers and become a planetary nebula. The Helix Nebula isn't just a beautiful sight in the sky. It's a natural laboratory, right in our cosmic backyard. Here, researchers can test theories about the life cycles of stars, the chemistry of interstellar space, and the forces that shape our galaxy. Even in death, stars like the one that created the Helix Nebula leave behind objects of profound beauty and scientific importance. Their glowing remnants enrich the galaxy with new elements, fueling the birth of future stars and planets, and reminding us of the endless cycles of creation and transformation in the universe. Next, the Cat's Eye Nebula in Draco, one of the most complex planetary nebulae ever found. Its intricate rings, jets, and knots create a mesmerizing, almost chaotic masterpiece. The central star may have a companion, twisting the outflow of gas into elaborate patterns. Each ring marks a different eruption, a historical record written in gas and dust. Fast stellar winds crash into older material, carving out the nebula's stunning details. The Cat's Eye reminds us that stellar death can be beautifully complicated. It's a cosmic puzzle box, inviting us to unravel its secrets. Deep within the southern constellation of Musca lies a remarkable cosmic wonder, the Hourglass Nebula. Astronomers often call it the universe's timekeeper, thanks to its striking, pinched hourglass shape that seems to measure the passage of cosmic time itself. This nebula is not just a beautiful sight, it's a window into the dramatic final stages of a star's life. The nebula's hourglass form is sculpted by powerful, fast stellar winds blasting outward from its dying central star. These winds crash into a denser, slower-moving equatorial cloud, which may have been shaped by the star's own turbulent past, or perhaps by the gravitational influence of a hidden companion star orbiting nearby. The two glowing lobes you see are actually streams of gas and dust escaping through the star's polar regions, while the bright, narrow ring at the center marks the dense equator, where material is packed tightly, resisting the outward push. The nebula's vivid colors aren't just for show. Each hue reveals a different layer of the original star, ejected at different times and speeds. Reds, blues, and greens trace the chemical fingerprints of elements like hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, each telling a story of the star's changing life. The Hourglass Nebula is a cosmic sculpture, shaped by the invisible hands of gravity, radiation, and time. It's a breathtaking example of how a dying star's environment can carve out a final, spectacular masterpiece in the depths of space. Studying its structure and chemistry, astronomers learn how stars recycle their material, seeding the galaxy with elements that will one day form new stars, planets, and perhaps even life. The Hourglass Nebula stands as a fleeting monument, a brilliant, short-lived reminder of a star's last moments, painted across the canvas of the universe for us to witness and wonder. Not all nebulae are named for their beauty or elegance. Some get their names from far less glamorous origins. Deep within the constellation of Puppies, there's a cosmic oddity with a rather unappealing moniker, the Rotten Egg Nebula. This nebula stands out not just for its appearance, but for the story behind its name and the fascinating science it reveals. The nickname Rotten Egg Nebula comes from the presence of hydrogen sulfide, a chemical compound notorious for its pungent, sulfurous odor, the same gas that gives rotten eggs their unmistakable smell. Imagine a cloud in space that, if you could somehow sniff it, would reek of sulfur. Scientifically known as the Calabash Nebula, this object is a protoplanetary nebula, a star in a rare and fleeting phase of its life. The central star is just beginning to heat up the thick shroud of gas and dust it expelled, setting the stage for dramatic changes. Powerful jets of dense gas and dust are being blasted out from the star at speeds exceeding 1,000,000 kilometers per hour. These high-velocity streams slam into the surrounding interstellar medium, creating shock fronts that cause the gas to glow with eerie, beautiful colors. It's a violent, energetic process that shapes the nebula's unique structure. Over the next 1,000 years, this protoplanetary nebula will continue to evolve, eventually becoming a full-fledged planetary nebula, a glowing shell of gas, marking the final stages of a star's life. Astronomers can actually observe this transformation as it happens, a rare opportunity to witness stellar evolution in action. Right now, we're catching a star in the act of transformation, a cosmic egg just beginning to hatch, revealing the secrets of how stars die and recycle their material back into the galaxy. The Rotten Egg Nebula may be stinky in name, but it's a spectacular, dynamic showcase of the universe's ongoing cycle of birth, death, and renewal. A truly remarkable chapter in the story of stellar evolution. From the smelly to the sublime, the butterfly nebula in Scorpius. Its vast, delicate wings of gas stretch across 3 light-years, shaped by a hidden, ultra-hot central star. The dusty torus around the star funnels gas into 2 glowing lobes, creating the butterfly shape. We see the wings edge on, their ripples and layers evidence of a turbulent history. The butterfly nebula combines violent outflows with breathtaking beauty. It's a cosmic Rorschach test. Angelic wings, a butterfly, or just a stunning display of stellar death. Whatever you see, it's a masterpiece. Our final stop, the Boomerang Nebula in Centaurus, the coldest known place in the universe. Its temperature is just 1 Kelvin, colder than the cosmic microwave background. This chill comes from rapid gas expansion, acting like a cosmic refrigerator. The nebula's shape, once thought boomerang-like, is actually a complex hourglass. The boomerang is a natural lab for studying extreme cold, colder than almost any lab on Earth. It's a reminder that the universe is full of extremes, from the hottest stars to the coldest clouds, all created by the fascinating processes of stellar evolution. Our tour ends here, but the story of planetary nebulae continues. These cosmic ghosts are the galaxy's recycling plants, beautiful, fleeting, and essential to the universe's evolution. Each nebula tells a unique story of life, death, and rebirth. So, what was your favorite? The cat's eye, the butterfly, or the infamous rotten egg? Let me know below. If you enjoyed this journey, like and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. And remember, keep looking up. The night sky is full of surprises waiting to be discovered.